nila ang sumayaw na Eliza! Congratulations, Eliza! Hindi nga play the music, kuya! And put your hands together for our best dancer, Eliza! Go, Eliza! Show us your dance moves! You will recognize us. Thank you very much. And for now, let's say bye-bye to Strawberry Shortcake. Bye, Strawberry Shortcake, pero babalik pa siya later on. He'll be joining us later kasi marami pa tayo. Mahaba pa yung program natin for tonight. And for our first